Alrighty, boys and girls, this is part 2 of the math puzzle boxes. I am going to be doing the bottom 3. A lot of you guys were struggling with the top part, and that's in part 1 of the other video that I just recorded. So now I'm going to do these bottom 3. So I am going to rewrite this box because it's really hard to see with that ink. So I'm going to write at the top. And I have 9 boxes total. I have 21 in this box, 25, and 24. Okay, so I have 73, 74, 78, 79, 74, and 72. So what I can do, like I did in the first video, is I know I can only use numbers 21 through 29. Okay? So I've used 21, I can use 22, I can use 23, I can't use 24 or 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So those are the numbers that I can choose from to put in these inside boxes, okay? So the most obvious one, obviously, is going to be 21 plus 24. Add those up. 45, and I'm going to subtract that from 72. So 27, that is a number that I could use. I'm going to put it here and put a line next to it because that's a maybe. Okay, and now I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Okay, so if I have, so let's do this one. 25 plus what and what will give me 74. So I'm going to guess 22 and 20. I don't know. This is hard. 28. I don't know. See, it's just a guessing game, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put my marks so I know that they're maybes. I'm going to... what did I put right here? 27. Is that for sure? Let me double check. Okay, so let's add these up. 22, 25, 28. Let's see if I get 74. That's 13, 14, 15, 75. So I know that 28 is not a good number right here. Okay. I could try, I can't do 27 because I'm already using it here. So why don't I do 26? So 22 plus 25 plus 26. That's 11, 12, 13, 73. So it's too low. Why don't I try, well, I guessed on 22, so why don't I try 23 instead? 23, 25, and 26. So I'm going to keep the 26, and I'll try that. So 23 plus 25 plus 26. So I'm just guessing, guys. 8 plus 6 is 14. There we go. So there's my 74. So that is a possibility that could work. Now let's try going this way, okay? And I can only use 22, 28, or 29. So I'm going to do 25 plus 27. 4, 5, 52. 74 minus 52. Okay, that's 74 right here. 22, and I have not used that number yet, so that is a maybe. Okay. Let's double check this one. 23 plus 21. That's 4. 64. I'm going to use 73 to subtract 64. 9. Oh. Did Miss Ork do that wrong? 23 and 21. So 23 plus 21. Let me add that up again, guys. 44. 73 minus 44. That gives me 6. Here we go. And 29. 29 would work. I haven't written that yet. Okay, and then 28 has to work, guys. So let's see. 29 plus 22 plus 28. 11 plus 8 will give me 19. Yep, and it works. So this is going to be 28. So this is your answer key for that 7th box. So pause it right here if you want to check your answers. Okay, I'm going to do the 2nd box. We have 29. We have 27, and we have 21. 77, 73, 75, 78, 73, 74. Okay, so I know I can't use 21. I can use 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Can't do 27. I can do 28, but not 29. Okay, so an obvious one would be 29 plus 21. 50. So 74 minus 50 will give me 24. Okay, I'm going to cross that out. Put a line. Okay, let's do this one. 24 plus 27. 51, and I'm going to subtract that from 73 to 2. 22 I haven't used, so this is a maybe. Okay, and now I can just kind of go from here. So I'm going to have to guess with 23, 25, 26, and 28. So, let's do this bottom one. I know 21 plus, let's guess, 25. Plus, what's another one we could do? Let's do 23. Okay, these are maybes. Okay, so I'm going to put double lines. 25, 23. And let's see if I get 75. So that's 8, 9, 69, that won't work. It's too small. So I need these numbers to be bigger. So I'm going to erase. And I'm going to try. How about we try 26 and 25? Okay. 21 plus 25 plus 26. And remember, I want 75. So this is 11, 12. 72, still not big enough. Okay, so I'm going to keep the 26 and I'm going to write 28 right here. Okay, so 21 plus 28 plus 26. 14, 15, 75. There we go. So that would work for those numbers. Okay, I'm going to need to cross that out. Okay, since I know these two, I can add up 22 and 28. 4, 5, so I'm going to subtract 73 from 50. 23, I haven't used that number yet, so let's put that here. And then our last one, let's do 27 plus 26. 53. And then I'm going to subtract that from 78. And I should get 25. And I did. So 25 goes right there. So there's our answer key for that 2nd one. And then the last one, we're given 22 and 26 and 29. Okay, and then on the side, 72, 76, 77, 80, 68, and 77. Okay, so my obvious one, I'm going to do 22 plus 26. Oh wait, let's write down. So I have her in 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 is here, 27, and 28, and 29 is right there. Okay, so 22 plus 26, 48. I'm going to subtract that from 72. 24. Okay, I'm going to mark it and move on. I'm going to do 24 plus 29. I get 53. I'm going to subtract that from 80. This might be too, oh no, I think we're good. 10, 27. And that has not been used yet, so that's a maybe. Okay, now let's just guess. I got to get from 27 and 76. So why don't I just 27 plus something to get me 76. So 7 plus let's do 23 and 25. Will that work? 8 plus 7, that's 15. So what if I do 21 and 28? Will that give me? 8, 9 plus 7 would be 16. So 76. So I'm going to do, oh wait, yeah, 21 and 28. And these are maybe boxes. Okay. Let's see if this will work. So 22 plus 21, give me 43. Subtract that from 68. Gives me 25, so that could be a possibility. And then this one would have to be 23, so let's see. 26, 28, and 23. Let's see if I get 77. 14, 15, 16, 17, 77. So this one is 23. So there is your answer key. Let's see if it matches what the computer said. Yeah, it matches. So pause this if you want to check your answers. And that's going to complete this video. Hope it helped.